I need to turn my notifications off.
You may remember a couple of videos ago I might have mentioned that I was writing a book, and it has to do with branding because my name is Brandi and my mom obviously named me Brandi for a reason, and you're watching Branding with Brandi. What else would the book be about besides branding? I've been sharing videos with you about branding, how to brand yourself on social media, how to brand yourself on YouTube, and how to brand your website yourself overall, whether you're a person or a business. And with that comes having your own
Merch.
I'm super excited to tell you or show you what's in this box because I actually haven't seen it yet. So we're going to open it together, and I actually don't know which piece of merch it is, but I picked this up on Printful and I've been debating about doing it for a while, but this was my first piece of merchandise that I finally ordered, and I'm still kind of getting my store set up. It's been a learning process, and I'm super excited to show you the first piece of merchandise that I've ordered, and make sure to check out the description after this video so you can find out where you can get some merch like this of your own. Let's open the box. Okay. What is it? Okay. Boom. So excited. Okay, who is not excited about this? And I'm gonna start telling you why I have this hashtag and why I'm using it. I actually never wear hats, so this is gonna be a first for everybody. Let's see what this looks like. Adjust the back so that it'll fit better. So I'm gonna have to, I guess, wear this in. I think you have to like push the bills and stuff and adjust this. And I don't know, should I take my tag off or leave it on? Who isn't excited about that? And I don't know about this green though. I feel like we're gonna have to change this green. This green is not really my thing. I thought the hat was all black. I'm gonna have to check on that to make sure that we don't have a green underbacking of this hat. Learning process. So the other thing that I'm noticing about this is that this A, if you look at it, it's kind of crooked. Do you see this? It's not perfectly on there. So that's something that I'll probably adjust. And those are all things that I can fix, but it's pretty cool to see this finally here. And I mean, it's not something that you can't go ahead and wear. I mean, this is my first piece of merchandise. It's pretty cool. And they have some other hats that you can order, so I might try out some other hats. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, a different fit for girls, you know? Like maybe something girlier, but bosses are supposed to be like bosses. So I don't know, maybe we'll leave it like this. So what do you think? What do you think about this hat? Maybe we can change the color of this to be a different color. And I'm looking like here because I'm looking in my camera to see what it looks like. But I'm thinking that this, we've got to make some changes to it before we can, you know, start selling it or using it. But we can use it. We can use it, that's for sure. So that is my first piece of merchandise. But I want to hear your comments, so make sure and put some comments in the description below this video and let me know what you think about this hat. What are some improvements that I can make to it? Have you had any merch that you've put out? And by merch, I mean merchandise. I have some other pieces coming, so it's gonna be fun to check them out and see what changes we need to make to them before I actually put them out. And I figured it'd be fun to kind of see behind the scenes of the making of the product. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Put a like button down below and let me know you enjoy this kind of content. And I'll be putting out some more videos, so stay tuned and subscribe. I'm Brandi of blogginbrandi.com, where you can find tons of free resources to help you brand your business. I'll see you in the next video.